Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 3.
And firstly, I begin with introduction of our group members' name. My name is Emmanuel.
My name is Angeli.
My name is Muhammad Irfan Aroyan.
My name is Nabila.
My name is Gelara Hadian Fajar.
Today we will discuss two fundamental components of Adobe, the Adobe Distributed File System and the MapReduce.
Enjoy our video.
So before I move forward, we need to first define the definition of the following terms: the Adobe Distributed File System and the MapReduce. The Adobe Distributed File System is a file storage model designed for big data processing, and MapReduce is a program model that processes large data sets efficiently. Let's dive into the details.
HDFS works in three main stages: data ingestion, storage, and retrieval. Number one, data ingestion. Data is output into HDFS through commands or tools like scoop or flu. Files are split into blocks and distributed across the node in the Hadoop cluster. Number two, storage. HDFS ensures redundancy by representing blocks across nodes, providing fault tolerance and high availability. The number three, retrieval. When user requests a file, HDFS retrieves blocks from multiple nodes and assembles them into the original file.
Okay, the next, MapReduce process data in three steps, namely map, shuffle and sort, and reduce. Number one, map phase. Data is split into chunks and passed to mapper function that transform and filter data. Number two, shuffle and sort phase. Intermediate data is shuffled and sorted beside on case to organize it for the reduce phase. Number three, reduce phase. Reducer aggregate the stored data to produce final output such as a summary or conclusion.
Now, let's demonstrate how HDFS stores data and how MapReduce job process it. In this demo, we'll upload the sample dataset to HDFS and using MapReduce job to count word occurrence.
Okay, I prepared for the data transaction, also the mapper in file Python and reducer file Python. We can check each of file. Firstly, transaction data. Is this the data for transaction? Also, mapper. Is this the logic for mapper? Also, reducer. This is the logic for reducer in Python. Have a looping and if else condition, and then it will be print. Okay. So the next step is upload the data transaction to the Hadoop. Okay. We can create the directory transaction data in Hadoop. Okay, transaction data. Okay, we can check using ls. Okay, we have a transaction data directory, but it's still empty because new directory. If we ls the transaction data, it will be empty. I will upload the transaction data file from my Ubuntu local, the command it will be like this: hdfs dfs dash put, so the name of the file, transaction data.txt, so name of folder, the name of folder is transaction data. Okay, dfs dfs put transaction data.txt and folder, enter. I'm sorry. Transaction. Okay, we can check on the transaction data. Now we have a file transaction data.txt. If we check, it will be same like on local Ubuntu. This cat comment cat. Like this. Okay, and then now we will run the mapper and reducer in Hadoop. The command is this. Using this, the input is transaction data in folder transaction data, and with file transaction data.txt, and then the output it will be transaction data / output. Okay, we can copy and paste in terminal like this. So, and then enter and waiting for run. Okay, the output should be already in transaction data. We can check in Hadoop hdfs dfs ls transaction data. Can check. See, you can see we can transaction data, and we have a output directory in transaction data directory. We can check the output. It will be have two file success and file part. The part this 0000, it will be show the result from analysis. We can check using cat output. The command is cat, and then output name of file part dash 00000 5 times. Is this the result? We have key bonds with 1C 17933 15 and then keyboard, laptop, monitor, and then we have the most transaction make sales. The most transaction is tablet with 173932595 596 is this tablet. Most of transaction. And then is the result. Thank you.
IDFS and MapReduce are used in industry for processing logs, analytics, customer behavior, and financial risk modeling. For example, e-commerce platform asks MapReduce to recommendation products to customer based on browsing history.
Basically, in our summary, ADFS and MapReduce enable scalable and efficient data processing, while ADFS provides robust storage. MapReduce simplify computation across large dataset. Thank you for your attention. Bye.